Hey guys, I hope everyone doing fine on a Saturday. It's quite cloudy here in the Chicagoland area. I put this browser together more privacy driven. Um, my rule of thumb at work, I always use a different browser than what the company uses. Most of my job has been window based, so Edge will always be for work, and either I use Mozilla or Chrome for personal use. So I have two different ones. In this case, I put this Chromium-based browser that acts like a Chrome, like Edge, for browsing. So this will be my standard go-to browser at work or a personal as well, which means it does not save anything. It deletes once you close it. It deletes everything from your computer. But good to keep in mind, does not delete it from the network traffic that is already logged. So if your work or your home uses a firewall that lags traffic, this is not going to help you. This is not intended to be a replacement to VPN or Tor or anything like that. This is not a not that it's not a complete anonymous browser on the internet. No, you still need VPN and stuff like that. So this is just more of a local computer, easy to use, out of the box, privacy driven browser. Um, and it's good to learn those things too. The bigger picture is definitely more for business gear, privacy, ease of use. Businesses without many resources would be a good use case, and also for things like for use case for guest computers and stuff like that. And you don't want them to, you don't want to set up each computer with settings to delete sessions on exit and whatnot. This is runs on a temporarily session by default out of the box. Once you install it, each session is a new session temporarily. It does not save whatever you do here. It'll delete it completely. I do have some of the features here, the typical navigation, refresh, stop, homepage, your settings here. In the settings, you have the option to set up a homepage, dark mode, zoom level, download folder when you want to download things at screenshots, and custom block list and geo block. And so you can, if you have domains you want to block, or if you have countries you want to block from visiting, and it will block it as well. So if it will blocks that website to display. So it's good. It's good feature. It just kind of it gives you that firewall mindset on a browser level, and that's kind of my initiative here for users with that doesn't have that resource, that massive resource to set up a full network environment. So this could be good, and I don't know anything really. Work settings, personal, family computer. You can have this run, close it, and the next person, next partner will have a new session. Also, I installed this lock security layer. Once you click it, it opens a dialog box and new box and asks you to create a password. And what happened is, if you click it after you setting up your password, it will lock this session. So if let's say someone wants to use your computer and you have a private session going on, could be financial, could be medical, could be anything, could be special interest. Who knows what people desire nowadays? Anyways, this could be like someone wants to remote it to your computer. You can lock it. They can remote in, do their work, and leave. You can, for instance, you want to share your screen. Hey, share your screen. I want to see something. All right, let me show you something. You share your screen. A lot of these ideas comes from obviously work. If you're working from home, or I mean, if you don't work or you don't deal with computers daily basis, you don't really think of those things. But this is what it comes from. Hey, share your screen, and I'm like, oh, okay, let me close some browsers. I could just lock it and share my screen, show them what they need to do and whatnot, and completely privacy. Or I can close it; it will reset. You don't have a way to reset the password, so please remember it. Um, and Yeah, so remember the password. If you forgot the password, you have to close the browser and it'll reset. So again, each session is a new session, and once you close it, delete. You have option to take screenshots and whatnot. Um, yeah, it shows you where this website. I mean, it's a lot of things. Just typical. You can go just like your anything. Just like any browser, really. It blocks some ads. If it blocks it, it adds advertisement. The word advertisement here, which is nice. But yeah, it adds random things. Um, if you like sports, for example, it's just like if you like browsing. Oh, okay, so I don't know if you notice here. These I have some metrics here: blocked domains, cookies, and location. What is this? So the sports page located in Ireland, and request HTTP request here. This is nice little activity bar here. Like you can see it if you scroll, it'll change, which is nice. You need this log to be green, so which is nice. But yeah, It's just a browser. It's nice. It's mine. I know what's in it. I like it. I feel comfortable using it. Like, just put it that way, And I like that. I like that feel. So someone asked me, what do you use at work? I use NetBrowser. I install it. It works like a charm. Does not save anything. It does not save anything. So please do not try think that, oh, why is asking me every time? Because every time each session is a new session. Once you close it, it's gone forever. Um, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. I hope you use it, and feedback will be appreciated. That's all I have. Thank you guys. Take care.